Hi there, in this video we will create a stylish and eye-catching sales dashboard within 35 minutes. This dashboard is fully interactive with so many options. Are you ready to upskill yourself? We will tackle how to deal with shapes and text boxes. The engine of dashboards are pivot tables. We will go through an advanced pivot techniques together with stylish slicers. Later on, we will learn how to deal with elegant Excel charts, conditional formatting, linked pictures, and auto-updating raw data in VBA. Before starting, please download practice file which contain raw data set from below link. Once you open file, it looks like this. This raw data has up to column T, row has 238. In order to handle this data, let's make it as table. Put your cursor inside of the table, press Ctrl T button, then you will have this pop-up window. Just click OK. Then automatically it changes into table. Depending on your preference, you can change table design. There are a lot of different designs are available. Let's select this one for now. We already complete the tabulating of raw data. Next, let's create a pivot sheet. Just click plus sign here. You will have new sheet. In order to change the name of the sheet, click right hand mouse button, go to rename, put pivot in our case, and then enter button. In this sheet, we are going to create multiple pivot tables. In order to create a pivot table, let's go back to raw data sheet. Put your cursor inside of the table. Go to Insert, click Pivot Table. You can select from Table and Range. Then this window popped up. It asks for new sheet or existing sheet. In our case, we already create a pivot sheet here. So just click existing one, click arrow button here. Then you are allowed to choose the location of sheet and cell location. So let's start with here, enter button, click OK button. You are able to see pivot table field here. Select year into rows, scroll down a bit, select sale amount, put them into values, scroll down a bit, select the profit, put them into values again. In this example, let's say we are comparing 2020 and 2021. In order to comparing these two only, click the arrow here and you can select the year which you wanted to compare. Deselect 2022, click OK. We don't like to have grand total. Select here, click right hand mouse button. Then you are able to go pivot table options. In here, you can go for total and filters. Deselect these two grand totals and also go back to layout and formats, and you can deselect this auto fit column width on update. Then after that, once you change it some update, it won't change the size of cells. Next thing is let's go to view, deselect the grid lines. Select again inside, go to Home tab, select comma, decrease. It looks much nicer now. For example, equal and select inside, and it shows really lengthy formula, which we don't like it. Let's make another table from this pivot table. In this example, year 2020 is cell B4, equal B4, and enter. Then automatically you can get this value directly here. Ctrl C, select this area, Alt ES, formula, OK button. We got all this value. Select this one again, comma, deselecting it. Let's make a folder as well. The next part is the movement between 2 years. So here, equal, select current year divided by last year minus 1 and OK. In same manner, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, you are able to get profitability as well. Let's copy this pivot table, Ctrl C, Control V here. Put cursor inside. Then we are able to see pivot table field. Let's move this year into columns. Let's select the product, put them into rows. Click here, deselect the profit. Then we have this nice table. Then I would like to have a descending order based on the current year. Put cursor inside here. Click right hand mouse button. Go to sort. Sort largest to smallest. Descending order now. In same manner, we are going to build this way. However, we are only focusing on top 5 selling products. So I will speed up. In this case, I put 2021 is first, then 2020 comes next. In order to calculate the differences is the same as before. This divided by this value minus 1. We can calculate the total as well. In here equals sum open bracket. Select all this value and close the bracket. Control C, Control V. Here, Control C, Control V. Let's make it nicely. So the first one, you selecting it. Please go to this color and select white color. Make it bold. This one going to be middle. Select this part. Control 1 button. You are able to go this. Go to border. Select this one upper, select this one below, and OK button. In between, let's give different color. Select here and I give this color. This one also I will give same color. So it looks more nicer. This become bold as well. Select this one, make it bolder. Go to font, give same color as here. Let's give error handler with the if function. So select here, if this part is equal to 0, it shows nothing. If not, and it's bring the same value. Close the bracket and enter. Here we have this $sign, which means we fixed column only. This part is over. So what we have to do is Control C this part, come here, Control V this part, close the bracket. Same manner for these two as well. Once we finish this part, Control C this row, Alt ES, formulas. Put cursor here, Control C, scroll down, Control V. After that, click here, deselect sale amount, select profitability inside. As you can see, descending order is got now. Put cursor inside, click right hand mouse button, sort largest to smallest. Change this part into profit. So already complete this part as well. Select this part, Control C, Control V here. Remove product, move year, and also add quarter below years. We have this pivot table. However, it's very difficult to reuse it. We need to change the format. Put cursor inside here. Go to pivot design. Go to report layout. Select tabular form. Then the form has been changed. In the same format, I just recreated pivot table into this format. The idea is exactly the same. However, I removed total part from pivot table into this format. Control C, Control V here. Put the cursor inside, select quarter and put into columns. Remove profitability. Already done for this pivot table as well. In the same manner, I recreate the pivot table here as well. Select this part, press Ctrl key and select these two, Alt and R. Go to all chart, select this one, click OK button. The first one is 2020. So click here, right hand mouse button, go to select data. The first one, add it, equal to this value, OK. Click second one, add it, this value, OK. OK. Then these two are already selected it. These are, we don't need it. Click one more time, delete button, click one more time, delete button. The other part is decorating nicely. Select here, Control 1 button. Click the bar, series overlap becomes 0 and enter. Click plus sign, remove chart title, remove grid lines. And select again this one. Go to field color, select the purple, select the other one, come here, select this one. In this case, we are more focusing on current year sale volume. Select current year bar, click right hand mouse button, data labels. We got this value, Control V. Select this one, put top, select again, go to format, shape field, no field, shape outline, no outline. Click here, plus sign, exit titles. We got this one. This one is delete. Here we are going to delete this one, but we are changing here sales figure, sales figure. We complete this graph. Select the area, go to recommended chart, all chart, combo chart, line with markers, click secondary access, click OK. Then we have this chart. In same manner, I clean it up, grid line, chart titles. Select this chart title, go to select data, first series, select this one, OK. Select second series, select profit, OK button. Then OK. This part creating more confusion, so let's remove it. If you just deleted it, it crashing this chart. So what you have to do is go to exit options, go to labels, select none, then this part is gone. The rest part is pretty much same as before, so I will speed up. We complete this chart as well. Now we are ready to create dashboard. Click new sheet, rename it. Go to view, grid line is deselected. In order to create text file, go to insert, illustration, shapes, text box, creating it. And you can type what you like. You can arrange by this alignment, select again, go to shape format, fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. Then you create this part. I already prepared this much. I also added icons from icon files. Prepare the Excel icon collection file. Please note that all icons in this file copyright by Microsoft. Just prepare for subscribers who are using Excel 2016 version. If you go to icon 1 sheet, you can see a lot of icons. I just prepared for you and it took a lot of time, but I hope that this will give you a small benefit. In icon 2, also you can find another icons as well. Go to insert, illustration, shapes, select this one. After that, the yellow dot, make it bold, outline, no outline. For inside color, Control 1, go to gradient fields. In my case, I already prepared it, so it already show like this. So the first one, what I did it is, I select the purple color, the last one, red color here. make it nicely, click right hand mouse button, click send to back. If you put it here, and then you can see here. So you make it like here inside, make it bigger. But in case of upper color, we need to change the color. So home tab, I will put them into white color. Then it's better. You can also put the line in between depending on your preference. In order to make nice alignment, press Ctrl button and select the each text box. Go to shape format. You can select align. Then you can select what you like. So align top and then make it same height. In case of the distance, you can select distribute horizontal or distribute vertical. After completing alignment, you can make group. These become one shape. Now let's make a header of the dashboard. So select this text box, move here. In front of this part, we are going to add company logo. In order to do that, go to Insert tab, Illustration, Pictures, this device. In my case, I will take this PNG file, insert, make it smaller. Let's make this logo more nicely. Ctrl 1 button, go to 3D format, select this one, click picture, go to recolor, click here. I will select this color. Now go to here in picture format, click this one. I will choose this one. We have a beautiful logo. Make it smaller, put it here. This part changed font style. I will select this one, font size 32, make it bigger. Here we put 16. By using alignment, I will make it nicely. So we complete the header part. Let's create content here by using pivot table result. Before to do that, let's make a lines here. Go to insert illustration shapes. You can take the line. So I will make Ctrl C, Ctrl V, reallocated it nicely. Let's copy pivot table result into dashboard. Go to pivot table, select from here to here, Ctrl C, click right hand mouse button, paste spatial, arrow button, click linked picture, then bring it down. This one will use it. First, Ctrl X, put it into here, Ctrl V, it become empty because when you're looking at the range, it doesn't include sheet information. So we give pivot and enter. So Ctrl X now, go back to comparison sheet, Ctrl V. Now it is working properly. Back to pivot sheet, move here. We will copy these two graphs and put them into dashboard sheet, Ctrl X, Ctrl V. I will speed up for the other two. We copy the four objects into dashboard sheet. In here, I'm going to make a new text box. As a quick processes, I can reuse it, one of the existing ones. Ctrl C here, Ctrl V, change inside, put sale last year, like this. Now I'm going to make another shape. Go to Insert tab, Illustration, Shapes. I will take this one again. Ctrl 1, Node Line, Solid Fill. I will select this color again. After that, select here, put equal sign. We are going to take sales value from last year. So go to pivot sheet, move here. Last year sale figure is this one. Press F4, fix it, enter button. We got this value, put them into bottom, click center. The value is bottom center. Select this one, right hand mouse button, bring to front. It's going up inside here. Make the color as yellow. This one, make it as white color. Bold, make it bigger. I will shrink it. Press Ctrl button, select the other one as well. Go to Format Shape, Alignment, Align Center. In the same manner, I'm going to create 5 more boxes with different values. The value gonna be, go back here, these values. I will speed it up. So I just create 6 boxes. Let's make a outside here as well. Go to Insert tab, Illustration, Shape, and select same boxes here. And I will make here border. Control 1 button, no lines, solid fill, color, I will take this color. Click right hand mouse button, send to back. Copy again, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I will put it here as well. Send it back. Don't worry about the tuning for the moment. I will redo it later. I think it'll be a good idea we have a 2 more graph here. Let's go back to pivot sheet. Click here. Select this area, Ctrl C. Ctrl V here. Deselect ear and deselect the quarters. We are going to put sail branch. Now we are having sail branch information. I will recreate the pivot table info outside pivot table like this way. Based on this information, I will make a new graph. Select this area, insert recommended chart, all chart, radar chart, select this one, OK button, plus sign, deselect the axis, and chart title. Then select again, go to Format, Shape Field, No Field, Shape Outline, No Outline. Select this one, Ctrl B, make it bolder. Go to Insert tab, Illustration, Shapes, Pentagon shape, make it bigger, like this. We will fit in here, extended it like this. Then Ctrl 1 button, no lines, solid fill. I will take this color. Transparency, I will give 85%. Then we fit in here. Next, select this part, go to Fill and Lines. In case of line, we apply no line. Click Marker, Marker Options. We go Fill, select Gradient Fill. In this case, I would like to remove the red color. Select here, I give white color. Then I overlap with these two. Try to make it same as before. Click this one, send to back. Click again, plus sign, remove grid line. Select this one and outside, make a group. After completing tutorial, I found a better solution for space issue in the graph. In this case, there is a lot of space, therefore it is not easy to extend it the octagon size. The possible solution to solve this issue is following. First, let's take it out the inside octagon outside after ungrouping it. Then select this part again, Ctrl 1 button. You have this format category. Go to Exit Options, click Triangle, then you can select Plot Area. Clicking it, it allows you to select only plot chart. By using mouse, you can extend it. And also the other side, you can extend it like this way. After that, readjusting label size, put it back octagon into chart again. Let's move to front. I'm going to make a new chart equal this value divided by sum, open bracket, select these two, close the bracket, press F4 and F4 for this part and enter. Control C, Control V. In this case, we need 2020. Based on this information, I'm going to create donut chart. Select these two, click here, donut chart, select donut chart. Plus sign, no chart title, no legend. Then format, shape field, no field, shape outline, no outline. Click donut part, go to series options. Donut hole size gonna be 90% and enter. Make it small. Go to fill and lines, select no lines. Solid fill, we select this color for now. Insert tab, illustration, shapes. Click here. I'm going to make background. Line, no line. Second grid line fill. Then I will select this part, same as before. So it's gonna be red. Sending back, click the square, go to shape format. Let's put it 3 and 3 to make right square. Select the donut chart, go to fill and line. Now I'm going to change the color. Click here. I will give white color. I click only 74% part. This one only. Transparency of 45%, maybe 40%. Alignment, center, and middle as well. Make it group as well. Control X, Control V, move here, Control X, Control V here. This one gonna be the end of this corner, and this one gonna be here. Then inside, I'm going to put the figure. So the idea is exactly same as before. Just copy one of them. Control V, go to formula box, equal, pivot sheet, take this value, enter. Make it front. I'm going to put this value here. Change into white, bold, bigger. For the moment, a bit messy. I make this more nicely by adjusting size of the shapes. After reallocating all the shapes, I'm going to create a slicers. Here gonna be category, this gonna be client segments. Let's go to pivot sheet, put cursor inside here, go to insert tab, click slicer, select category, scroll down, select client segments, click OK. We have two nice slicer. For this part, I will make it column number 3, everything in one line. This gonna be 2, so I'll change into 2 here. Then I already prepared a new slicer format. It's available from practice file. So in this one is looks like this shape, second one looks like this shape, third one looks like this shape. So I will apply third one and click here, also apply third one. Click these two, I put it here like this. This one need more space, so I make it extended further like this. The way how to make your own style of slicer is pretty easy. Select one of the existing ones, click right hand mouse button, duplicating it, and after that, depending on your preferences, go to one of the areas and then choose format. You can change font style, size, color, border fill as well. Then click OK button. Select these two, Ctrl X, go back to comparison sheet, Ctrl V, and we put it here. Now let's test it whether it's working or not. I will select accessory. However, these values are unchanged and this value is also unchanging it. In order to solve this problem, we need to link with other pivot tables. Then let's do it. Click the slicer. Go to Slicer tab, Report Connections. Then you can see all the pivot tables. We are going to link it with all of them. Then just click here, all of them. Click OK. It will be the same as well. In this dashboard, the control function is these two slicers. If you want more slicers, you are able to create more depending on your preferences. I can see every feature is changing depending on my given conditions. Next step, I would like to improve the visibility for this part. Let's go back to pivot sheet. Go back to here, select this area, go to conditional format, go to new row, select icon set. You can select different icons. I will choose this one. This part become number. This is gonna be like this. This is gonna be like this. Then click OK. We have nice arrow here. Control C this part. Select this area. Alt ES. Select format. OK. Let's go back to dashboard sheet. Already this part also has been changed. In our example, everything is a positive number, so that has been changed to positive numbers. In case of the location of objects are pretty much depending on your computer screen size. If you are using without ribbons, you click here and then you have to readjust the shapes as well. Here also I put sail branch as well. So I will readjusting one more time. The next part is, what if we adding new column here? Select here, click here, inserting it. You can see our dashboard is breaking down. In order to avoid this situation, select the object, click right-hand mouse button, size and properties. Then you can see property parts. Select don't move or size with cells, clicking it, close it. Let's test it whether it's working or not. Selecting here, insert. As you can see, this shape is unchanged. Undo again. As a protection, you can apply this setting in all other objects as well. Close here. The next function would be I create a button by using insert shape as well. What we are going to do is auto-updating VBA code. At the moment, when you update raw data, you have to go for dataset, refresh all, and click refresh all again. Let's get rid of these manual steps. Back to dashboard, press Alt F11 button. You are able to go to VBA application, select insert, click module. You will have this screen. Then you can push sub, press enter button. Automatically you will have this situation. What you can do is simply adding one line, active workbook point refresh all. Our coding is already over. Close it. Next one is link with this button. Click right hand mouse button. Select assign macro. Select the one you made it. Click OK. If you press the button, it's automatically updating data. Go back to here. The next one is about the slicer setting. If you don't like this header of slicer, just click here, go to slicer, slicer settings. you can deselect display header. Okay. Then you can make it small. You can put it here again. You can see the differences between these two. Depending on your preference, you can apply this method or the other method. One drawback of this approach is once you're selecting it, in order to reset, it is not possible like this approach. What you can do is clicking it here, Alt-C, then it going back to reset position. Finally, I complete the dashboard. Thank you for watching.